Okay, so welcome back to a new video. So this is technically the first unrelated to stocks video I have made on the channel, but it is also kind of related to stocks. I'm here to tell you guys about our new Discord server. So let me explain what's going on here. So if you guys are invested in stocks, or if you're interested in stocks, this is going to be the place for you. And let me explain why I have made this and what it is, because I'm sure a lot of you guys will know, but I'm sure a lot of you guys also won't know what this is. So I know that a lot of you guys have been trying to get in contact with me in the YouTube comment section, and quite frankly, there are too many comments to answer sometimes. So what I've decided to do is make a dedicated chat room on what we call Discord, and my intention is to invite a lot of you guys to this as soon as possible. So hopefully in the comment section of this video or in the description of this video will be a link to the Discord server, and on top of that I will be talking about this in all of our new videos that come out onto the channel at the start of them, where I tell you to subscribe as well. So I hope that you're going to find this one good. I hope that we can talk about some great stocks in here. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it and love it. Thank you very much for watching this short one. I will see you in the next one, which will be out later. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.